Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all will be fine. I am your English teacher and I welcome you all to your English online class. My dear students, as you all know that we have started the revision of our English textbook course, and we are revising the course which is included in your 8th class final term exam. So let's start our today's class. In last class we have done with the main idea and summary of unit number 11, and also we have discussed MCQs question of that unit. And in today's class we will discuss unit number 2, that is the Iqbal message to the youth. First of all, let's discuss a few important points about Allama Muhammad Iqbal. So he was born in November 1877 and died in April 21st, 1938. He was a Muslim poet and philosopher, and also he is officially recognized as a national poet of Pakistan. His first book of poetry is Israr-e Khudi, which deal with philosophy of religion. So my dear students, this is a little bit introduction of Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Now let's come to the main idea of our lesson, Iqbal's message to the youth. The main idea of this lesson is the main idea of the lesson is that eyes of Iqbal, the youth of the Ummah, is a pillar of the nation. He is the standard bearer of any nation. He is a man of Khudi, a creative and dynamic power. His life is not confined to limited worldly affairs. He wanted to discover a new nova of billionaire and inspiration. He is to lead and take the nation to the height of self-sufficiency and independence. He is a symbol of hope and future of the nation. In short, the youth is the main focus and main idea of the lesson. So, in this lesson, Allama Iqbal talks about the youth, the nation. He called the youth the nation of our future. So, he describes youth as a pillar of Ummah. They are a dynamic power. अलामा इकबाल इस चैप्टर में क्या कहते हैं, यूथ के बारे में हमें बता रहे हैं कि ये हमारा एक पिलर है मुस्लिम उम्मा का या हमारे नेशन का. हमारा जो अक्सर आप लोगों ने मोटिवेशनल स्पीचेस में सुना होगा कि यूथ को ही हमारा फ्यूचर कहा जाता है. सो इन दिस लेसन अल्लामा इकबाल आल्सो टोल्ड अस दैट the future of our country is our youth. The youth is the eyes of Iqbal are representatives of the nation. They are pure in head and heart. They are enthusiastic in action and optimistic persons. Optimistic का मतलब है पुरुमीद, और इंथुजियास्टिक का मतलब है कि हम कुछ करने के लिए जब हम बेताब होते हैं. अक्सर आप लोगों ने यूथ को देखा होगा कि वो इमोशनल होते हैं, उनमें एक अलग किस्म का जज्बा होता है कुछ करने का. They have the best knowledge of each and everything. So this is the whole main idea of our unit number 2. I hope that it's clear to all of you, and note down these important points in your rough register with yourself, so it may help you in your final term exam or in your board exam, inshallah. In our next class we will do, inshallah, the summary or maybe the main idea of unit number 3. So it's enough for today. This is all about today's class. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.